Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy at your home. Nowadays we are not allowed to go outside, so we will have to start our study at home. So for class 7 students from geography portion, you need only one chapter for PT1, that is environment. Okay, now let's understand the term environment first, then we move forward to the components of environment. So environment, the word environment derived from the French word environ, which means neighborhood. Okay. So what is the definition of environment? So it's a kind of basic life system which is affected by the place, people, things and nature surrounding that is living organisms has. So as a result I can say environment is everything that is around us which can be living or non-living things. So in simple terms environment means all the surroundings. So it includes both the natural phenomena as well as human-made phenomena. So the natural environment includes both biotic and abiotic condition. Biotic, what is the definition of biotic and abiotic? Biotic means the region where life exists and abiotic means the region where there is no life. Or I could say in simple term, it's non-living and biotic means is living, and it includes animals, plants and microorganisms, and we human are also come under the biotic. And abiotic means non-living, again air, water and land, and you have hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere which is abiotic. So understood what is the difference between biotic and abiotic? Biotic means all the living things and abiotic means all the non-living things. So now let's come to the human-made environment. What is human-made environment? Human-made environment is consist all the objects that created by human and human interaction. So first, human creation. The things that created by human like buildings, bridges, industries, train, bus, electricity. And human interaction includes family, society, religion, education, economics, politics, etc. Now, understanding the components of environment, I would say there are mainly two components of environment. The first is natural component and the next is human-made component, man-made component. Again, the man-made components are classified into two types, human creation and human interaction. Now, first we talk about the natural component. The natural component, as we know in simple term, I can say land, air and water. That is lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. And all the three things, lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere together form the biosphere where living organisms exist. So now when we talk about human creation, the things that created by human activities like monuments, buildings, industry, roads, parks, bridges, and the human interaction, the components of human interaction would be man, individual like us, then comes a family, then comes a community, and then there are numerous factors that affected organisms, for example religion, level of education, economic and political situation, and all the groups and organisms are there. Are there means are come to the human interaction, under the human interaction. So these three categories means natural components, human creation and human interaction are very essential to forming the components of environment. And if you closely notice the components of environment, that is everything is interdependent, everything is depend on each other directly or indirectly. So now we broadly discuss about the natural environment. What is the definition of natural environment? So what is the definition of natural environment? The basic components and organisms that are naturally present in the environment without any human involvement, like the land, water, air, animals, plants, etc., are the natural environment. And these natural environment grouped into lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and the biosphere. And now we discuss about these four sphere: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So first, what do you understand by the lithosphere? Lithosphere is the outermost layer of the earth consisting of crust and upper mantle portion of the earth, and the lithosphere is made up of rocks and minerals and is covered by the layer of soil. And the word lithosphere is subdivided into oceanic lithosphere and continental lithosphere. Oceanic lithosphere is found in under the ocean, and the continental lithosphere is found under the land continent. So now what is the hydrosphere? A hydrosphere is the total amount of water on the planet. The hydrosphere includes water that is on the surface of the earth. So it comprises all the water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas and oceans, etc. Now what is the atmosphere? Atmosphere is the blanket of gases which surrounds the earth, and without the atmosphere there could be no life on earth. So it protects us from the harmful rays. Understood? Okay. Now come to the biosphere. What do you mean by the word biosphere? Biosphere means the sphere of life. Biosphere means what? Biosphere means the sphere of life, and biosphere is the part of the earth where living organisms are found. The plants and animal kingdom together form the biosphere. Now let's see the diagram of components of environment, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. And this is the narrow zone where all the three sphere, lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere interact with each other to support the life. It's called the biosphere.